85Sixty is a full service development agency. So we do website builds, we do SEO and design and analytics. And so we're a full service website development agency. I'm a senior project manager. Working with the team has been great. They've been very, very responsive, giving us updates all along the road. When we needed to jump on a call to talk about things, they were available to us, readily available to us. The work has been great. And we've worked with the team twice now. We had, one project that we worked on, and then we closed that one out, and then we opened this one, and it's been amazing. Yes, absolutely. If we have another project that comes up and it fits into the requirements, we would definitely recommend it and consider it. Yeah.